producer Manish Malhotra. Sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for being here today. For me, it's the first time I'm at a film festival, and it's the first time that I'm here as a producer. So I mean, so I never. This is my first film, and I'm very excited. I thank Jyoti Deshpande and Geo Studios for their love and support that they've given me and their belief. The first time I met with Tiska and Sanjay, the two writers of the film, I'm right now speaking as the writers, and when Tiska narrated the film to me, and I think it was so meticulously written, the film, that I could imagine each scene, the way it started, the way it ended, the rootedness that the film had. And when the narration got over, I looked at Tiska and Sanjay and I said, I'm making this film. And so I said, we're definitely doing this. And I remember them telling me that while we were driving back, did he just say it, or was he really going to make the film? And the next day we followed this up, and so within a year from that day to here, we're with the film. And it means a lot to me that I'm starting with something which is very different from what's expected from me. But it was a film that the script that I was completely attracted to, and we were very lucky to have this belief from Geo Studios and Jyoti, and get such wonderful actors like Divendu, Radhika Apte, Anshuman Pushkar, Anurag as an actor, Surashni. So it was a film that got the most wonderful people believing in it.
Now moving on to Jyoti Deshpande ma'am.
So we all know about Manish. He needs no introduction. When Manish approached me and said that he'd been in this film industry all his life, but designing clothes and doing other things with his aesthetic sense that God has gifted him, and now he wants to turn a producer. I said, I'm in. If I was very, very sure that if Manish Malhotra turns producer, aesthetically and creatively, I think it can be second to none. And I was right. His absolute attention to detail, his love for films, his absolute sort of commitment to excellence. He has been an absolutely delightful producer to work with, or co-producer to work with. And the rest of the crew, I mean, we've had each, Tiska, all of the actors, each one better than the other in terms of the passion. It's been a joyride. I think what excites us about Sali Mohabbat is that it's a whodunit. The last major successful whodunit has been Drishyam, जहाँ हमें पता है कि किया किसने है, but कैसे किया है. All the narrative of the story is in how it's been done. So I'm sure all of you all will enjoy watching this film. The other thing that excites me is typically as filmmakers, we all rush to premiere the film in Cannes and Tribeca and Palm Springs and everywhere else in the world. But it's our proud privilege that हमने कहानी यहाँ बनाई है, and the world premiere is in IFFI, our own film festival in our own country. That is a special moment for us. So thank you IFFI for having us, and we are proud to be here.
That actually makes Teshta Production, which is my production, very, really happy that our first film is being premiered in India at IFFI. So it really feels good.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you sir. Now the director herself, Tiska Chopra.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for making time to be here. As Manish mentioned, this is the first time that I narrated the film to him, and he looked quietly within himself, I think for about 30 seconds, maybe 1 minute maximum, and then he said, we're making the film, in his quiet, elegant way. And from there was no looking back, whether it was going to meet actors or whether it was onboarding various things, his passion and determination to get this film made. And then when I went and narrated the film to Jyoti, which was our sort of joint narration with Manish, she was sitting right in front of me, and there were 5 people each from Geo on either side. And the way she looked at me, and so part of how you tell the story is also how the other person is listening to you. The way in which she listened encouraged me to tell it to my best. So from then on, both of them have backed the film so solidly. Like there was literally no, like they lined the path for me. And Manish, another thing that I want to say, it's very rare in some karmic lifetime that you get to work with an artist producer. You get to work with producers who are looking at the bottom line, who look at many things. But a producer who's an artist and who's committed with passion from the depth of his soul to make the best possible thing, that is rare, and I'm blessed for that. Thank you, Jyoti, for your constant support and having your hand on our back. Besides that, I don't think I could have been luckier when it came to the actors. We had a lot of struggles casting. At first, Divyendu said no.
Oh.
Then he said yes. So blessed. We're missing Radhika, Divyendu, Anshuman, Anurag, Sarasini, Sharad sir, 6 primary characters, and of course a wonderful support cast and all the crew. Outstanding. We workshop, we worked hard, and we've tried to make a film that will connect with you deeply in your heart and stay with you. That would be my joy if it stays with you after the film is over and you think about it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Now moving on to Anshuman Pushkar. Please
What
share
to
your
say,
thoughts.
वैसे इन चीज़ों में बहुत अच्छा नहीं हूँ, फिर भी मैं अपने दिल से अपने दिल की बात कह देना चाहता हूँ कि working with Manish, we all know that who is he, and ma'am also, she is something different. As an actor we know her, but when somebody is taking chances with the full responsibility, that makes something very different. स्क्रिप्ट और सारी चीज़ें तो रह जाती है एक तरफ, लेकिन जिस तरीके की सिंसियरिटी मुझे वहाँ से ऊपर से मिल रही थी और जिस तरीके का कमिटमेंट मुझे साथ में मिल रहा था, ये अपने आप में एक अलग अनुभव था. तो कुल मिला के जिस तरीके की ये कहानी है, एक अलग जॉनरा की अलग टाइप की कहानी है, अलग इंटरेस्ट की कहानी है. आई होप आप लोगों को पसंद आएगी.
Thank you all for those insightful remarks. I'm sorry.
You know,
So sorry, Divyendu.
I'm okay actually, but now that no, तो मैं इसीलिए कल चला but yeah, now that this guy has made sure that that you all know the story behind the scene. But let me tell you very honestly, I said no only because of the money and nothing else. Listen, but no, I mean, it was a different sort of a scenario, but I just remember one thing reading this script, and I said this to Tiska also, that Tiska, there is a certain fragrance to this script, and I mean, that fragrance didn't leave me forever, and I was just in it from day one, and I'm just so happy that all these great minds have come together to make this film possible. Manish, such a, like, we all call him a dream producer, and he is actually, he's a really sweet guy, and which he doesn't like me saying. He's a nice guy. One more for you, Manish. But listen, he's been working in the industry for so many years with so many directors. He has done so many languages, and just to be so patient with new filmmakers, like new talent like us, it was really heartening. So thank you, Manish, for this. Thank you so much, Gio, to be partners, to fully back a project. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me as an artist and as a person both. Tiska, you made my life hell. I'm just kidding, but I mean, it was so much fun to collaborate with you on this one. We all miss Radhika today here. She's an important part of our film, and yeah, I'm just really happy to be part of it. Thank you guys for coming today. Thank you.
Thank you, Divyendu. With this, we are now opening to questions. You can raise your hands and the mic will be there.
Why?
जब आप पिक्चर देखोगे तो जानोगे.
और क्यों इस सब्जेक्ट चुना मनीष ने?
मैंने क्यों सब्जेक्ट चुना? जैसे मैंने कहा कि वो मुझे स्क्रिप्ट इतनी अच्छी लगी, और मुझे एक्चुअली एक बात स्क्रिप्ट की बहुत स्ट्राइक हुई थी, बिकॉज बहुत मेटिकुलसली लिखी गई थी. उसका हर एक सीन डिटेलली लिखा गया था, एंड मुझे वो क्लैरिटी दिखी इस फिल्म में, और मुझे एक अनयूजुअल कहानी लगी. ऑल्सो आई थिंक मेरे एक बहुत एक्साइटिंग चीज़ ये थी कि लोग मुझसे ये एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे, ग्लैमर होगा या गाने होंगे और ऐसा होगा. बट एक अलग तरीके का ग्लैमर है, एक अलग तरीके की आवाज़ है. एंड आई थिंक वो मुझे बहुत, आई थॉट कि मेरी प्रोडक्शन के लिए जो एक जिसकी पिलर्स ही और स्ट्रेंथ ही होनी चाहिए कि वी आर बैकिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड अनयूजुअल स्टोरीज एंड स्टोरी टेलर्स. तो आई थॉट दिस वाज द राइट फिल्म टू स्टार्ट. So Sari Mohabbat is the first film from Stage 5 production, and I think that's what attracted the both of us. एक unusual कहानी और एक बहुत अच्छी कहानी.
इसका debut as a
Yes,
director.
yes.
Can you talk about it? Why you chose this film to make a directorial debut? The chutney, I remember the chutney here, but I didn't think you were just the writer.
The only thing I could say is because the same person produced it, but Sali Mohabbat, coming back to it, is its own very individual story. It is, as Jyoti mentioned, a howdunit. आपको पहले से ही पता है कि कौन है, पर जो वो जर्नी वो कैरेक्टर की है, that is, I think, something which is sparkling. And also another point which I want to make, because this is a film festival, somewhere we are looking at creating some kind of storytelling, pure storytelling, rather than just shocking the audience with spectacles. So you're giving them something that stays rather than shock and awe in the moment. क्या देख रहे हो, वाह वाह वाह, rather than just that. So it is कि आप उस किरदार से, उस कहानी से उन लोगों के इतने करीब आ जाते हो कि आपको लगता है कि हम इन्हें जानते हैं, ये तो अब ये करेंगे, ये तो ऐसा करेंगे. So somewhere that kind of storytelling is what we are. So we didn't work extremely hard on the shock and awe factor, but we worked hard on the performances of the film and on the actors who were all stellar, but getting into the depth of the character, we worked hard on that extremely. So that kind of storytelling is what we were, all of us were aspiring to.
The director in you, something about the director in you.
आप तो ये फिल्म देख के आप बताओगे. I don't really know अभी तो इस पहली फिल्म में मैं, I can't really say anything.
No, let me say this. She's a natural. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Jyoti, how are you keeping it mixing? Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. You're keeping it mixing with at Geo right now because you had Singham again, then you had Lapata Ladies, now you have this one, then there are two more films that are premiering at IFFI right now of all different stages and of all different budgets. How are you keeping it, mixing it up at Geo?
So first of all, I think I feel very blessed that I'm in a position where I can empower storytelling. If you say एक blockbuster बड़े star cast की story करना तो हर studio की फितरत है and वो expected है. But what's in my heart at this stage of my career is to tell stories with heart, with stories which are quintessentially Indian, and see how we can take those stories to as many parts of the world as possible and to all over India as much as possible. So the smaller stories fill me with great deal of purpose, more than the larger ones that probably give me more name and more fame. But somewhere doing those larger stories allow me to invest in the smaller stories. So I think both work closely with each other. We've had a great year and God has been kind. But I think the audiences are extremely discerning. आप audience को कभी भी fool नहीं कर सकते. इसलिए clutter breaking cinema और clutter breaking stories ढूंढना बहुत important है. Green lighting एक automatic sort of जादू वाला खेल नहीं है. We listen to a lot of stories. Sometimes we get it very horribly wrong. क्योंकि जो हमें लगता है हम बनाने वाले हैं वो बनता नहीं है, कुछ और बन जाता है. नियत किसी की भी खराब नहीं होती है. कोई ये नहीं सोचता खड़े होके कि मैं आज खराब पिक्चर बनाता. Everybody sets out to make a good story. Sometimes that intent doesn't translate, but I've been very, very lucky that I've worked with people whose intent has been absolutely fantastic and whose command over the craft has been absolutely fantastic. That the end product also comes out very good and लोगों को वो पसंद आती हैं. Whether it's a theatrical release or an OTT release, लोगों को हमारी फिल्में, हमारी कहानियाँ पसंद आ रही हैं. So it's been my good fortune to be able to work with great people.
My last.
Yeah, I think ये साल कुछ steroids पे ही चला. So I do need to slow down a little bit. Next year की slate काफी कुछ ready है. But you know, we have Son of Sardar, we have Dhurandhar, we have Ma, we have a few more films lined up. I have 4 Marathi films lined up. But you know, slow and steady wins the race.
Films जो बन चुकी हैं, the other one is also a film called Banti Ki, which is with Geo Studios, and जो third film है जो भी जिसका final edit बस इस week को ही खत्म हुआ है, which is called Ul Julul Ishq. So 3 फिल्में हो चुकी हैं. I'm now looking at what am I going to do from next year. But ये भारती ये सपना 8 या 9 साल का
I
है.
know.
So I have always been I remember when Feroz Khan got me to play Mughal Azam 8 years ago to costume, and I was so excited because Mughal Azam is my most favorite film. तो मैंने कहा can I produce this play as well? So ये production का जो ये है producer बनने का बहुत पहले से था, and it's taken. In fact, today in the family chat when we were, my family was saying that today is the premiere. I said, my God, it's been a dream for 9 years. It takes that long. But we launched Stage Fair Productions about 3.5 years ago. So 3 films are done. But मेरी जो speed है उससे मुझे कम लगता है, मगर बहुत कुछ करना है
I told
अभी.
him to slow down.
सिखा.
Hopefully हम आएंगे very soon to announce कि ये खुद क्या direct कर रहे हैं. वो announcement में मुझे excitement
As a
रहेगा.
director, you wanted to direct for Manish. Remember?
But some wants take a lot of time ना, बहुत इंतजार करना पड़ता है. Bharti, you know that.
Yeah.
My question is for Divendu.
It's no, I
You can deny it. वो एक option भी रहता है हमेशा.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. But listen, it was more to do with how I looked at the character in a certain way and Tiska at a certain point of view of it. And कहीं ना कहीं हमने जब उसके बारे में बात करी आगे जाके, so we reached a common ground. But like I said, from day one I loved the script and the whole the world of the script. So मना नहीं किया था. I mean कुछ questions थे जिसको बाद में हम दोनों ने मिलके बैठ के जिसके बारे में बात करी. And we
So अब आपको पता है कि it was not because of the money. So
मनीष जी, मेरा आपसे एक सवाल है. हर्षदा वेद पाठक हियर फ्रॉम स्क्रीन ग्राफिया. मतलब हाय, आपके ढेर सारे फ्रेंड है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, तो प्रोड्यूसर बनने से पहले किसी ने कुछ टिप्स दी, क्या कुछ कहा आपसे?
Well, I think friends का एक खासियत ये होती है कि वो बहुत प्यार करते हैं आपसे and they're very protective. But मुझे लगा कि अगर and then they'll have कि आपने ये काम किया इतने साल, you represent this, आप ये करें वो करें. There are lots of opinions as well, which they mean good. But मुझे लगा अगर एक नया path है, like the way I found my path in my career, I have to find my path in this career as well. So मैंने किसी को कुछ नहीं पूछा. And her decision अपने आप ली, and I just went on with my decisions. And I think as a person also, once I take a decision, I stick to it. I don't really think of the success or the money. I just feel this has to be accomplished.
ज्योति दी, ये साल तो आपके लिए बहुत हैपनिंग सा रहा, तो हम
बहुत happening.
तो एक सीक्रेट सा पूछना चाहेंगे, क्या बेसिस पे आप फिल्म सिलेक्ट करती है? मतलब क्या देख के यू से ओके एज अ प्रोड्यूसर?
सबसे पहले कहानी. सब कुछ कहानी से शुरू और ख़त्म होती है. अगर कहानी नहीं समझ में आती है तो आगे जाने का सवाल ही पैदा नहीं. सो आई थिंक गुड स्टोरीज. अगर आप स्लेट देखेंगी, हर एक कहानी बहुत अलग है. लापता लेडीज़ बहुत अलग हैं, आर्टिकल 370 अलग हैं, शैतान अलग हैं, स्त्री अलग हैं. सो सारी कहानियाँ बहुत अलग हैं. डिफरेंट जॉनर्स टारगेटिंग डिफरेंट ऑडियंसेस. तो हम प्रोजेक्ट नहीं बनाते, हम कहानियाँ ग्रीन लाइट करते हैं.
But I think अगर जैसे मैंने फिल्म में भी कहा, the amalgamation of so many different kind of subjects कितना इतना beautiful है कि today like there is a studio which is really backing from smaller films to bigger films, from new storytellers to established storytellers. I think this is the need of the hour and it's phenomenal that you're doing that.
तिस्का जी, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि आप मतलब कैमरा के सामने हमने आपको काफ़ी साल देखा है, इस बार आप कैमरा के पीछे खड़ी हुई, तो एज एन एक्टर आपको क्या अंडू करना पड़ा कैमरे के पीछे जाते समय?
आई थिंक शुरू में टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मैं एक्टर्स को थोड़ा सा करके दिखाने की टेंडेंसी थी मेरी कि मैं ऐसे कर लो आप, बट वेरी सून इन टू द प्रोसेस आई रियलाइज कि मेरे पास जो, एंड ऑनेस्टली आई मीन दिस के आई रियली लक्ड आउट. आज ही मैं बता रही थी दिव्येंदु को और अंशुमन को कि आई रियली लक्ड आउट विद माई एक्टर्स. एक इमेजिनेशन से संजय जो मेरे हस्बैंड भी हैं और फिल्म के को राइटर भी हैं, ही इज़ राइट हियर. तो एक इमेजिनेशन आपके माइंड में होती है जब आप लिखते हैं, एक आईलिड के पीछे आपका एक इमेज बना होता है और उसको छोड़ देना इजी नहीं होता क्योंकि आप उसके साथ इतने सन जाते हैं, उसके साथ इतने अटैच्ड हो जाते हैं. बट एज दीज एक्टर्स केम एंड वी स्टार्टेड वर्कशॉपिंग एंड वी स्टार्टेड रीडिंग एंड फिर उन्होंने अपना जो प्रोसेस किया, whatever their process is. अब मुझे मेरा अपना प्रोसेस है एज एन एक्टर, बट दे हैव देयर ओन प्रोसेस ऑफ कमिंग विद अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ इंजेन्युइटी. फिर वो जो नया बन के निकला, I was also sometimes watching and I would be like, oh yeah, this is so much better than what I had thought. This is so cool. This is so nice. And so we prepared hard, but we left that little space for spontaneity, and that little space became a lot of space with these wonderful actors. So initially, yes, I was trying to tell them how to do it, and they were looking at me like, अरे पता है हमें क्या करना है, आप मत बताओ.
और सबसे बड़ी बात, हेयर एंड मेकअप नहीं करना पड़ा ना आपको.
But in all honesty, just one more thing, ये कोई नॉर्मल डायरेक्टर नहीं है, ये मनीष मल्होत्रा के डायरेक्टर हैं. तो जब इनके ऑफिस भी आते हो तो नीचे फोटोग्राफर्स खड़े होते हैं. आप डायरेक्टर भी हो तो आप कुर्ता पजामा में नहीं आ सकते. यू हैव टू हैव योर मेकअप ऑन टू कम टू मनीष's ऑफिस इवन फॉर अ डायरेक्शन मीटिंग.
Casual couture.
हाँ जी. Well, मुझे एक्चुअली मैंने बहुत बड़ी फिल्मों में काम किया. मैं हमेशा बड़ी फिल्मों में काम करता हूँ. आई थिंक मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी था कि बड़ा छोटा कुछ नहीं होता है, बड़ी होती है स्क्रिप्ट. मुझे स्क्रिप्ट बहुत अच्छी लगी और इट हैड माई हार्ट, और मैंने कहा कि नहीं, मैं ये फिल्म से ही शुरू करना चाहता हूँ. एंड समटाइम्स आई फील छोटे से शुरू करना बेटर होता है.
With this, we come to the conclusion of our interesting press conference. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We hope that the discussion and insights shared today will reach the wide audience through the media. Now, I would like to present a souvenir on behalf of Press Information Bureau to the delegates. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
No individual bites will be possible after the press conference. Thank you.